If you're looking for reliable lighting for your next camping trip, or just want to be prepared for unexpected power outages, you've come to the right place. We've tested and reviewed the top-rated lanterns on the market to help you make a smart buying decision. Whether you need something affordable, durable, or ultra-bright, there's a perfect option here for every need and budget. Let's get into the best camping lanterns this year.
First up is the E-Tech City Lantern Camping Essentials Lights. This 2-pack is a fantastic value and a top choice for anyone building an emergency kit. It features 30 bright LED bulbs that put out 154 lumens of 360-degree light, which is more than enough to illuminate a tent or a small room during a hurricane. The design is incredibly smart, with a collapsible body that makes it as portable as a smartphone, so it won't take up much space in your backpack. Powered by 3 AA batteries, it runs for up to 50 hours, ensuring you have light when you need it most. It's also built with durable, water-resistant ABS material, so it can handle a few drops or a little rain. One of the neatest features is the storage compartment at the top, where you can stash keys or spare batteries. While it doesn't have a USB charging port, its simplicity and reliability make it a solid choice. This is the perfect pick for someone who wants a simple, durable, and affordable backup light source. Check the link below to grab this 2-pack for your emergency preparedness gear. Next, we have something unique with the Odoland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan. This one is a game changer for hot summer nights. It does more than just light up your space. It features a built-in ceiling fan with high and low settings to keep the air circulating and you cool in your tent. The lantern uses 18 ultra-bright LED bulbs and can run for up to 37 hours on regular light mode. The fan operates on 2 D batteries, giving you about 5 hours of high-speed airflow, which is perfect for a good night's sleep. It's extremely lightweight and collapsible, making it easy to pack away when not in use. While it's not water-resistant, so you'll want to keep it dry, the Whisper Quiet brushless motor is a major plus. If you're the type of camper who hates a stuffy tent, this is definitely for you. It's also a great choice for a kid's tent or a stuffy room during a power outage. You can find it at the link in the description. The Dibs 2-pack solar camping lantern brings some fantastic modern features to the table. This is an excellent choice if you're looking for an eco-friendly and versatile light source. It's a 2-in-1 design that works as both a powerful 300-lumen lantern and a handy flashlight. The brightness is easily adjustable by simply pulling up on the collapsible design to reveal the 360-degree illumination. What makes it truly stand out is its rechargeable capabilities. It has a built-in 1600 mAh battery that you can charge via the USB cable or by using the sun with its solar panel. On a full charge, you get 6 to 11 hours of long-lasting lights. It's also constructed from high-quality ABS and PC material with an IPX4 waterproof rating, so it's tough enough for the outdoors. Its lightweight and compact design make it perfect for hiking, camping, or as a reliable emergency backup. While solar charging takes a few hours of direct sunlight, the USB option provides a quick and easy alternative. This is the best option for the environmentally conscious camper or anyone who wants a reliable light source that never needs disposable batteries. Click the link to get your hands on this modern survival light. For those who want serious illumination, the Concott LED battery-powered camping lantern is an absolute powerhouse. This lantern is all about brightness, delivering a massive 1000 lumens of 360-degree light that can light up an entire campsite. It's not just bright, it's also versatile with 4 different lighting modes, including cool white, warm white, a combined white, and even a strobe mode for emergencies. You can also hold down the button for smooth, stepless dimming, giving you complete control over the ambiance. It runs on 3 D-cell batteries, offering up to 12 hours of runtime even on its highest setting, which is incredibly impressive. The design is built tough with IPX4 water-resistant and shockproof materials, so it's ready for any weather. Plus, it features 2-way hanging hooks and a removable cap, so you can use it as a ceiling light or a table lamp. While the batteries aren't included and it's a bit larger than some others, the sheer power makes it worth it. If you want the brightest, most versatile lantern for those power outages or large group camping trips, this is it. It's a top-rated option for a reason, so check out the link below. Finally, we have the MalloMe Camping Lantern Multicolor 4-pack, which is perfect for families or anyone who likes a bit of style. This set comes with 4 lanterns in fun colors like Midnight Black, Colorado Gold, Forest Green, and River Blue, so everyone can have their own. Each lantern puts out 146 lumens of bright 360-degree light and features a simple collapsible design to turn on and adjust brightness. They run on AA batteries, which gives you excellent energy efficiency and a very long lifespan. They're built from rugged, military-grade ABS material, so they're durable and reliable. While they're not water-resistant and don't have advanced features like USB charging, their simplicity, durability, and fun colors make them a hit, especially with kids. This is the ideal set for casual campers who want a reliable, affordable, and stylish lighting solution. Don't forget to check the links to grab this pack. So there you have it, our top picks for the best camping lanterns this year. The choice really depends on your specific needs. For the best overall combination of value, simplicity, and reliability, the ETech City 2-pack is our top recommendation. But if you want ultimate brightness, the Concott is a powerhouse. And if eco-friendliness is your priority, the Dibs is a fantastic choice. All of these options were carefully selected to ensure you can find the perfect fit. Be sure to check the links below to compare prices and make your purchase. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews. We're confident any of these will keep you well lit and safe on your next adventure.